Welcome to the PLA tutorial series. In this video we will discuss how you activate your PLA license. Activating a PLA license is a three-step procedure. First, you create a customer-to-vendor file with information about your hardware. We will use this file to provide you with a specific license file and license keys. Second, you install this file in the system to be licensed. And third, you install the license keys on the computers running PLA. PLA can be licensed to a single computer or computer that acts as a license server. The steps shown in this video work for both cases. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, you need to perform Step 1 and 2 of the licensing procedure on the PLA license server, and Step 3 on the computers running PLA. To license PLA, you need to run the setup of the PLA license system, which you can download from biosa.de/software. Before you start, make sure you have permissions to install programs. An internet connection is recommended, but not required. Note: if you want to set up a license server, make sure the server and computers running PLA are connected via LAN, and port 1947 is open for TCP and UDP connections on all systems. Execute the PLA license system setup as an administrator, and perform the following steps. Please read and accept the license agreement to proceed with the setup. The setup created two desktop icons, one for the PLA License Key Manager and one for the PLA License Control Center. By default, the PLA License Key Manager, which we will use now, will start after finishing this setup. The PLA License Control Center will be used later in this video. Here, to create a customer-to-vendor file, select installation of a new protection key. Confirm this by clicking Collect Information. To save the file, navigate to the directory where you want to save the file. Please enter your company name as file name, so we can better relate the file to you. Please send an email with the created C2V file attached to sales@biosa.de. After we have received it, we will send you an email with an attached vendor to customer file and PLA license keys. In the second step, you install this file on the computer you want to license. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, perform this step on the server, not the computers running PLA. After you have received the email from our sales team, open it and save the vendor to customer file attached to it. We start the PLA License Control Center by double-clicking the desktop icon. Here you can see, your computer is not licensed yet. Therefore you need the vendor to customer file you have received from us. To license your computer, go to your desktop and start the PLA License Key Manager. Here, switch to the Apply License File tab, and open the File Selection dialog by clicking on the button in the lower right corner. Navigate to the directory where you have saved the vendor to customer file, select it, and click Open. Now click Apply Update. Next, return to the PLA License Control Center. You can see that a new entry corresponding to your license is displayed. Please keep in mind that you have applied the license file to a specific computer. For future changes to this computer's hardware or operating system, you will have to temporarily transfer this license to another computer. In the third step, we will add the license keys to PLA. If you set up PLA licensing through a license server, perform this step on each computer running PLA, not the server. In addition to the vendor to customer file, you have received a PDF document with license keys from us. Make sure you have it available. When you start PLA, a registration dialog may get displayed. Please fill in the form so we can inform you about urgent matters that require updates of the PLA system. If you have not used PLA yet, the Database Connection Management wizard will open during startup. This wizard is used to create a new or connect to an existing database. You may for now cancel this, as it is not needed for licensing. A separate dialog called License Management allows you to add license keys to PLA. You open it from either the Login dialog or the Help menu within PLA. When License Management is open, make sure the 5-digit serial number is displayed and matches the number in the PDF document. If you have an active internet connection, the easiest way to apply your license keys to PLA is to click Download. All available license keys have been added. The keys displayed in this video may differ from the keys available to you. If you do not have an active internet connection, you have to add the keys manually. In this case, click Add and copy the activation key from the PDF document via the context menu or pressing Ctrl+C. Then paste it into PLA by clicking Paste from Clipboard. You can also use the context menu or Ctrl+V to paste the key. Proceed with the remaining keys in the same way. You now have added all your license keys to PLA. Besides the PLA and activation keys, which are mandatory for using PLA, our example includes the validation package key. It enables you to qualify and validate your systems in compliance with current regulations. If you want to know more about setting up PLA, please consult our guides on planning, installation, and licensing.